Hi.
How did you feel about the session yesterday?
It felt really great. Yeah, it was cool to do a workout for the first time.
Did you do better or worse than you thought you were going to?
I don't know if I went in with a ton of expectations, but I feel like I did pretty well.
What was one major takeaway from yesterday?
I kind of got more of an idea of what like a workout here might look like and what goals I was trying to hit in the future. So that was really cool.
Was there anything that was hard or frustrating?
It was definitely a challenge to do the deadlifts and the push-ups, but it felt like very rewarding. So I was glad to do it.
Was it harder or easier?
I'd say slightly harder, but still good.
All right, Gia, awesome job on day 2. We're starting day 3 right now. How are you feeling overall?
Pretty good.
Cool. Any
Yeah.
soreness?
Just a little bit of my hamstrings.
Hamstrings, awesome. That's from the deadlifts. It's exactly what we're looking for, so thumbs up on that. Any injuries, anything you're concerned about for today?
I tweaked my ankle a tiny bit, but I should be all right.
So we'll take a little bit easy on the ankle today. There is some jumping, so we'll work through that, see how that feels.
Yeah.
Cool. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be going through a couple more tests. Today we have neurological and core endurance. So that's going to involve some jump roping. So that's kind of like a little bit of agility, a little bit of coordination, and then we have core endurance is going to be a lot of abs. So like we'll talk about sit-ups today.
Yeah.
We'll talk about like Tabata sit-ups and kind of figure out like a test that we feel comfortable with there. Then today we have the front squat and then upper body pull. So we'll be testing your front squat strength, kind of like we did with the deadlift yesterday. And we'll be doing the upper body pull. So that's kind of like pull-up strength.
Okay.
How do you feel about pull-ups?
Not great, but let's
Awesome.
give it a try.
That's okay.
Yeah.
We'll work on that. There's some good variations there. And then we're going to end just like we did yesterday with a high intensity piece. We're going to be ending with the lactic tolerance test today with a high intensity piece.
Awesome.
So a lot of fun there. First thing we're going to do is we're going to grab a jump rope for our warm up. Let's grab this one here and we will see how that works. Let's come over this way. And so what we're looking for right now is 5 jump ropes, 15 jump ropes, 25, 50, 100, 150. Have you ever done a double under before?
Not sure what it is. Is that when it goes?
Yeah, so double under is going to be that 2 revolutions as you
Yeah.
jump into the air. So what's going to happen next is you're going to have this jump rope, and imagine that same thing is happening where you're just kind of jumping, 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 and when you're ready, jump as high as you can, and then I want you to think about spinning the rope really fast twice, and then let's see what happens.
Okay.
Cool?
Cool.
Have you done one of these before?
I think when I was a kid.
Okay,
yeah.
cool. Love it.
Yeah. Okay. So just. And it's when I'm ready.
Yeah, whenever you're ready.
Okay.
Yeah!
Dang, that
That's
wasn't it.
awesome though.
Cool.
You just did one. Look at
Yay.
that. So now we just skipped like 7 different levels because you got one double under.
Yeah, if
That's
I can do that.
super cool. I also don't want to put too much volume on you right now because we
It's
did
all
what we
right.
needed to do, and I'm pretty pumped about that.
Okay.
So just a nice, easy couple 5, 6 singles, and when you're ready, there we go.
That was.
Do another one actually, because you'll. Yes, good. That's actually another whole test. Awesome. I
Yay.
love it. Go ahead and set the rope down for a second. So let's come back over here. See, you didn't even know you were doing it, but you just did 3 dumbbell unders within 1 minute. Sit-ups. Let's talk about sit-ups really quick. We are looking at a bunch of different tests here. From a sit-up perspective, this is a really challenging one, by the way.
Yeah.
This is one that whenever I work with clients in foundations, it's kind of like, I don't know. Sometimes we go here, and then at the 5th or 6th round, people kind of like, I'm stuck, and
Yeah.
that's okay. Sometimes we do this, and it's like, well, that was super easy.
Yeah.
So do you have any thoughts, feelings?
I feel like pretty confident in my core strength.
Cool.
I'd be willing to at least try the 8.
The
and
8?
then if I fall, I just have to drop out sooner.
Cool.
Maybe.
Let's do. I like that. That's a great
Cool.
game plan. All right, cool. Let's go ahead and get you set up over here. All right, here we go. Tabata sit-ups. We're looking for 8 reps every 20 seconds. Then you rest for 10, and we're doing it for 8 rounds. So we got Tabata set up. Clock is going. We're starting in 10 seconds. Remember, we talked about efficiency here. You can use your arms. Hands are going to touch behind your head, and then touch your feet. 2, 1, and go. Good. 1. So touch your shoes. 2. There you go. And 3. Yes. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. Rest. 1 and go. Round 2. 1. Good. Nice, Gia. 2, 3. All right. 2 done. 6 to go. Not yet. We're rest. I like it. Yeah. Take the rest when you can. And 8. Awesome. 2, 1, and go. Round 4. 1. There you go. 2. We're almost there. Resting, resting, resting. And 8. Yes. Good, good, good. And 8. Yes. Good. We got resting. We got 2 more rounds left. I know, it's pretty getting
Not
salty. I feel you. And 8. Yes, we got 1 more round. This is where you got this. You got this. And it doesn't have to be in a row. Like if it's like do 1 and kind of rest, like you can do that a little bit. You got 20 seconds to get 8 in. 4. Yes, use that momentum. 5. Drive it up. Here we go. 6. 7. And 8. We did it.
Yay.
Take your time. All right, so we're going to work into our next test, which is going to be the front squat test. What I want you to do is go ahead and bring yourself over here, Gia, and then I want you to bring yourself through about like 5 air squats just to kind of warm things up right now. So just genuine air squats, the things we worked on, keep it below parallel, drive those knees out. Widen your feet just a little bit for me. Cool. 2. 3. Look at you, front squat queen. That looked awesome. Seriously, that looked like you've been doing this for a really long time. Super pumped about that. How did that feel for you?
Felt good.
Let's go 65 and do 8 reps there. Do you feel pretty good with that?
Yeah.
So we'll throw 15 pounds on each side and then work through 8 reps and kind of see how that feels. And then we'll kind of guess and check as we go.
Awesome.
Cool? All right. On the way down, keep everything nice and tight as we go. Widen those feet just a little bit more. Good. Drive those elbows up a little bit higher. Yes. Good, Gia. Good. 1. I'm going to come down here, make sure below parallel. And 2. Reps look good. Love it. And 3. How'd that feel?
Good.
Do you want to go heavier? Do we want to stay there?
I could maybe try a little heavier.
Okay, cool. So let's go try 90 pounds by 5, and then we'll be good on front squat test. All right, so we're looking for 5 reps. And 3. This looks awesome. And 4. Drive those elbows up. Good. Yeah. I like that. And up, and 5. Awesome. So there's going to be some cueing from the coaches as well, which is what we're here for to do, because sometimes we go, 3rd rep, we start to drop a little bit. As soon as I said elbows up, boom, you pull those up, and it helped you lift up in that position as you went. So that was awesome. That was great. That looked, honestly, that looked pretty easy. So I know we can do more, but I'm not worried about us doing more right now as we work ourselves through. All right, so we are going to be working into our upper body pull test right now. I know we talked about in the beginning of the session that pull-ups, you're like, I don't really know. I love that because we have so many different options and variations that we can work through.
Yeah.
So these are going to be ring rows. What I love about ring rows is it's a great self-scaling tool, self-scaling option for all athletes to work through. So the idea here is you're just going to grab the rings, you're going to bring yourself back, and from this position here, you're going to then just pull yourself up. I'm a fan, we talked about rotation of the shoulder earlier, so I'm a fan of that shoulder coming in. So I tell people hitchhiker thumb. So imagine I'm neutral here. If I were to stick my thumbs up, then I give myself hitchhiker thumb all the way to the top. So I'll give myself thumbs up at the top. Go ahead and try about 3, 4 of those. Just nice and easy. Good, so start neutral, there you go. And then drive up, cool. A full ring row would be a position where I'm all the way underneath the rig, all the shoulders are underneath the rings, and I'm bringing myself all the way up in that position. Super, super difficult to do that. So we're just gonna find a spot that feels comfortable for you.
Yeah.
In there. So a little bit lower than where you were earlier. Good. Neutral. There you go. And then drive up. Awesome. 3. 5 is one of our tests, so you're already passed.
Yay.
We're on the map in that position. Next up, what we're going to work ourselves into is going to be a dead hang hold. Here we go. And go. 3, 2, 1. Boom! We did it.
Yay.
All right, so that's a 15-second dead hang hold. So where we're heading next, let me confirm, is going to be scat pull-ups. So scat pull-up is a little bit more of a warm-up drill. This one you might need to lift your feet a little bit. Yeah. And then same thing. Yeah, awesome. Good. 2. Let's get 5 total. 3, 4, and 5. That's brilliant. Cool. How'd that feel for you?
Felt good.
So we're going to do the chin over bar hold. So what that's going to look like, the reason I brought this box here is it's easier for people, to like bring themselves in. So you're going to be here, and then you're going to hold that chin over bar, and you can kind of hop into it, but you know that you can always step your foot back here. 3, 2, 1, and go. Love it. 5 seconds in. We're going to 15 if you got it. 2, 1. We did it! Good job. Heck yeah. All right, hop down. All right, Gia, we've got the last test for day 3. It's the lactic tolerance test. So front squat, you're at 90 pounds by 5. And then the upper body pull, you're at 15-second chin over bar. So the lesser of the two is a 90 pounds. So then we come straight down. Your workout today is 15, 12, 9 of burpees and jumping pull-ups in under 6 minutes. A lot of times when people do this workout, just so you know, they go fast on the burpees and they get the pull-ups and they think they're gonna be able to blow those out. And it's really hard, you're really sore. So the pull-ups sneak up on you very quickly on this workout. The idea of this workout is lactic tolerance. So we're building, like lactic acid is building up. So the idea is we're kind of trying to outrun that. 1 and go. 1, breathe as well. 2, and 15, good. Shake it out, catch your breath. Take about 10 seconds right now, breathe through it. Don't just hop right into it. And when you're ready, get those arms long. Again, widen the hands just a little bit. There you go. If you want to, you can maybe narrow them in just a tad, but there you go. That should be good. And whenever you're ready, we got 15 jumping pull-ups. 1, 2, 3. Awesome, Gia. And 12. Yes. Catch your breath. 11. Yes. And 12. Awesome. Yeah, home stretch. We got 9 and 9. You got plenty of time right now. We got over 2.5 minutes, so if you need to take an extra 30 seconds here, kind of let that heart rate come down a little bit, please do. And 9, love it. Stepping in. You got 9 more. 9 more good reps here, chin over bar. I know that ankle's kind of getting a little salty on us. 7, 8. Yeah, 451. You're done. Walk it off right now. This is one of those workouts where it's like, holy cow, like you can rest on your knees, walk it around, grab a drink of water. Just take a little bit of time to yourself to kind of bring that heart rate down, and then we'll reconvene back over here and talk about the workout, talk about what happened today, and go from there. High five! Woo woo! All right, so we just finished the lactic tolerance. We're done for today with actual movement. Can you scan? Yeah, this is for the Google, and then this is for Apple. Sorry, I have you pointing at the wrong one. And so that's going to be Pike 13. So Pike 13 is our scheduling software. That's where you don't have to have that app, but we encourage people to have that app. Our schedule, whether it's yoga, whether it's fitness, will always be up to date on Pike 13, and that's where you can pre-register for classes and put yourself in. We are good to go tomorrow. I think we are scheduled up for 10:15 a.m. tomorrow for the 4th and final session. Yeah, I'm pumped. We do have a full-on workout tomorrow called aerobic power intervals. We'll be doing this workout here, and we're going to be trying to score as many reps as we can, but we'll talk about that a little bit more tomorrow. Rest up, stretch out, take it easy on the ankle. We're good to go.
Awesome. Thank you so much.